Have you ever wondered if your pet dreams when they sleep just like you do? It's an intriguing question, isn't it? Animals, much like humans, have periods of deep sleep and lighter slumber. You've probably heard of REM sleep. That stands for rapid eye movement. And it's during this phase that humans have their most vivid dreams. Interestingly, scientists have observed similar sleep patterns in various animals. Your pet dog or cat, for instance, goes through cycles of REM and non-REM sleep, just like we do. So it's not a far-fetched idea to ponder whether they too might experience dreams. But what about other animals, like birds or reptiles? Do they dream? And if they do, what could they possibly dream about? These are the questions that continue to fascinate scientists and animal enthusiasts alike. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of animal sleep and dreams. Animals, just like humans, have their unique sleep patterns. These patterns can be as diverse as the animals themselves, reflecting an array of survival strategies and lifestyles. Let's take a look at our furry friends, cats and dogs. Domestic cats, for instance, are known to sleep for a whopping 13 to 14 hours a day. They're crepuscular, which means they're most active during dawn and dusk. On the other hand, dogs, our faithful companions, are more in line with human sleep patterns, clocking in an average of 12 to 14 hours of sleep a day. Moving on to the giants of the animal kingdom, elephants and giraffes. Despite their massive size, elephants surprisingly sleep for only 2 to 3 hours a day. They're polyphasic sleepers, meaning they have multiple sleep periods throughout a day. Giraffes, with their towering height, sleep even less. They manage to get by on just 30 minutes to 2 hours of sleep per day. It's quite mind-boggling, isn't it? Now let's dive into the waters and take a peek at dolphins. Dolphins exhibit a unique sleep pattern called unihemispheric sleep. This means that when a dolphin sleeps, only one half of its brain shuts down while the other half remains alert. This allows them to continue swimming, avoid predators, and come up for air even while they're snoozing. Birds too exhibit this fascinating unihemispheric sleep, especially during migration. One part of their brain catches some shut-eye while the other part navigates the journey. This is a remarkable adaptation for survival during long, exhausting flights. These varied sleep patterns serve different survival needs. For some animals, extended sleep durations help conserve energy, while for others, remaining partially awake even during sleep ensures safety from predators or allows them to continue essential activities. So we see that sleep patterns can vary wildly across the animal kingdom, but what about dreams? Now, the question on everyone's mind: do animals dream? Just like humans, animals exhibit certain behaviors during sleep that hint at the possibility of them having dreams. Many pet owners have observed their furry friends making twitching movements or emitting sounds during slumber, akin to how we humans behave during our rapid eye movement or REM sleep. This is the stage of sleep where we are most likely to dream. But it's not just our pets that show these signs. Scientific research has also pointed towards the likelihood of animals dreaming. One fascinating study involved rats running a complex maze during the day. As they slept, electrodes attached to their brains showed patterns that seemed to replay the day's maze run. It was as if the rats were dreaming about their daytime activities. But what about other animals, you might wonder? Well, scientists have observed similar sleep patterns in a variety of animals, from dogs and cats to birds and even reptiles. This strongly suggests that dreaming might not be a uniquely human experience, but a universal phenomenon shared across the animal kingdom. However, it's important to remember that we can't dive into an animal's mind to see what they're actually dreaming about. Are they chasing after a ball, soaring through the skies, or just reliving their day, just like the rats in the study? While we can't be sure what exactly animals dream about, the evidence seems to suggest that they do have their own dream world. So what have we learned today? We've delved into the fascinating world of animal sleep patterns, discovering how different creatures rest in their own unique ways. We've also explored intriguing evidence suggesting that animals, much like us, might have dreams. So, the next time you see your cat curled up in a sunbeam or your dog twitching in their sleep, consider this: they could be off on a dreamy adventure. Remember, the next time you see your pet snoozing, They might just be having the adventure of their dreams. Thanks for watching.